Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I've been using the Crucial BX500 as my backup drive for the past couple months, and in today's video, I'll be going over my experience with using the BX500 and if you should purchase this budget SSD. Let's get started. The 1TB storage option for the BX500, and the read speed is rated at 540 megabits per second and a write speed of 500 megabits per second. The life expectancy is rated at 1.5 million hours, and you can write 360 terabytes of data on this drive, and it comes with a limited 3-year warranty, so depending on how you use this SSD, you may or may not reach the rated life expectancy. And for connection, it uses a SATA interface rated at 6 gigabits per second. The design of the BX500 is generic looking at best, and the casing is made out of metal and has a matte black finish. The BX500 feels light in the hand with a 2.5 inches form factor and a 7mm thickness, so it should fit in most computer or hard drive enclosure with no issue. The BX500 is mostly used for backup purpose, and it serves that purpose quite well. My backup mainly consists of pictures and videos, and when I switched over to the BX500, the jump in speed was quite noticeable. To help illustrate how much faster the BX500 is, I have provided a comparison how long it took to transfer 50 GB of data from my Mac to SSD versus from my Mac to a traditional hard drive. And here's a benchmark for the BX500 from both Crystal Disk Mark and Blackmagic Disk. BX500 offers solid performance for its price point, and it is even better value if you can find it on sale. It may not be as fast as a M.2 SSD, but it does offer a lot of value either as a backup drive or as an upgrade to speed up your computer's performance. That concludes the video. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please consider helping out this channel by liking, subscribing, and commenting. See you again!